Hi, I'm Cara, and welcome to Cara's Kitchen. Today we're making risotto. You know what you need for risotto? 1 cup of rice, some vegetable oil, a ladle, a pot with 7 cups of water, or broth, or stock, and a big pan, or wok. If you don't have a big enough pot or pan, reduce the recipe by half.
The only thing easy or cheap about Cara is her cooking. Only thing easy or cheap about Cara is her cooking.
Risotto is actually something you normally use as a side dish of some sort, but let's go with the fact that we're broke, and we're going to eat it as the main course. Pot and pan go on the oven. Boil your water, and then reduce it to medium. Pan goes on the oven on medium heat. Put some oil in the pan. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Once the oil's in the pan, put the rice in. Swoosh. Optional ingredient, a cup of wine. If you don't have wine, you can use white wine vinegar instead. Move it around. Wait until the wine is evaporated a bit. While we're waiting, you have the option to give it flavor. Water by itself is boring. I like chicken. Let's put in some chicken bouillon. You can use any flavor broth, stock, or bouillon you want. Bouillon's the cheapest way to go. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Move it. Optional ingredient, onion. Cut it up. Swing! You can chop up other vegetables as well. A lot of the wine has evaporated, so we take our liquid and we ladle it in. Only a couple at a time, then stir. Ladle. Stir. Ladle, ladle. Stir. Let's add those onions in, huh? Stir them in. Another flavor we want to add? Garlic powder. Me likey garlic. Stir it in. You know what we need more of? Ladles. Stir. We have time to do some of our dishes. Those dishes are done. Enhance flavor with salt. Stir in your salt. It's time for more ladles. We're a little over halfway done, but this is starting to take too long. Enhancing to medium-high. Stir it! Keep adding ladles as the water evaporates away and turns into something creamy. It's important to keep stirring because that's what makes it creamy. I don't know how, it just does. We're almost out of ladles! Stirring keeps the bottom from burning. It's almost ready. Oh no, my thing fogged up. Defogged. We're now going to add in the rest. Off! Don't forget to stir! This is how you can stretch 1 cup of rice into 8. Did I mention that you need to stir? We've reduced the heat to medium. Bam, look at that. It is done.
The only thing easy or cheap about Cara is her cooking. Only thing
Delicious.
about Cara
I should have waited for it to cool. Woo, it's making my nose running.